This is the brand naming formula that separates the big brands from the forgotten products, constantly mentioned as the most important part of starting a brand. Its discovery has radically changed the way that businesses see branding. David Acker named it Brand Equity Model. In a world where the mainstream belief is that brand names should be simple and memorable, the brand equity model believes in aligning the name with the business's strategic goals. They don't prioritize descriptive and relevant names, but instead they create strong associations in the minds of consumers, making sure that the name supports the brand's overall objective. And that's what creates a brand name that stands the test of time. So let me show you a live example of me helping one of my clients create a brand name as well as finding something with a .com domain available. I took a look at your domain names and a lot of them feel a bit long, and at the same time they don't really talk about like the feeling of using magnetic lashes. You want to be elaborating on core values on what you're trying to sell. So I guess it's like quick, easy, seamless. So let's try find some better options together. Quick lashes. Quicklashes.shop.store, but we want a .com. Lash click. This is pretty good, lash click. So this is one option. Lash click. Lash insta. This looks a bit weird, but this may do. Click lash. That sounds really good. Quick lash. Ooh. Magnetic eyelash. Wow, this is pretty cool. I didn't know magnetic eyelash would be available. Wow, that's actually really freaking good. Magnetic eyelash. That's the product. It's literally a magnetic eyelash. So that might be the best. And shortly after, my client bought the domain name magneticeyelash.com. Can't believe it was available. What an amazing domain name and brand name, as it perfectly aligns with the brand equity model.